guys, I'm Van down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today beside me I have a brand new 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Edition minivan. Now this vehicle does come equipped all-wheel drive, and it also comes equipped with your forward front collision, as you can tell by this front little piece here. And it also has your lane keep. You got your HID headlights, your 18-inch rims with your all-season tires. Now it does come with keyless entry as well. And if you come to the back here, you do see that it comes with Class 5 hitch receiver with your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your rear view backup camera. Now one thing I'd really like to show you guys is on this remote here, you do have your hatch opening here and your 2 side door opening here with your remote start as well. Now if you guys want to follow me to the inside, I'll show you a couple features. Guys, now that we're inside the brand new Pacifica, I'd like to show you a couple features I like personally. Now a couple features that I really like are the safety features that are included in this minivan. So you have your park assist here with your park alarms here, and you also have your lane keep, your auto on off, and your traction control there. But also on the steering wheel, like I was saying earlier, it does come with your adaptive cruise control as well. Now this vehicle has a lot of storage. If you open this up, you got your coin slots here with a lot of storage underneath. You got more storage above that and more storage underneath here with your cup holders as well. Now if you're looking in the back here, you do see that all the seats are full leather and they come with their own armrests. Now the second and third row do come with their own Stow and Go system, so you can actually fit a full-size sheet of plywood in the back. Now if you guys have any questions about this beautiful 2020, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time today, and I really hope to hear back from you soon.